Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up MuMu Player and optimize it for the best performance. First, open your browser and search for MuMu Player on Google. So go to the official website, download the installer and open it. Then you can install it in the default location or choose a custom location if you prefer. The installation may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, MuMu Player will launch automatically. Now let's change few settings to get better performance. Open the settings menu and go to the performance tab. If your PC has 8GB of RAM, set the memory to 4GB. If your PC has more than 8GB of RAM, set it to 6GB. Next, under GPU usage, select optimal graphics quality. This improves the graphics in games. Also, make sure GPU is enabled so MuMu Player can use your graphic card properly. Now go to Display tab and set the resolution to match your monitor's resolution. Then set the FPS limit to match your monitor's refresh rate. If you notice screen tearing, enable vertical sync. In the Model tab, you can change the font model if you want, but I recommend keeping the default model. After making these changes, close settings and restart it. If you want even better performance, enable virtualization technology in your BIOS. The steps are different for every motherboard, so you can search online for instructions based on your motherboard model. That's it. Now open the Play Store, sign in with your Google account, download your favorite apps or games and enjoy using MuMu Player. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.